Today we are here to help you register your compatible Garmin Marine device. For this process, you'll need your compatible Garmin Marine device, computer, and SD or micro SD card depending on what your Garmin requires. Begin with your Marine device powered off and insert the correct type of SD card for your Garmin. Then power on the Garmin. Make sure you allow it to fully power on. This will create a file on the card allowing the computer to recognize your Garmin. Once fully powered on, remove the SD card. Now, you will need to go to your computer and navigate to garmin.com/express. Once here, follow the on-screen prompts to download Garmin Express. Once the download is finished, open Garmin Express and click the plus icon. Then click Sign In, right beside Have a Marine Device or Charts. Here, you can sign in to your Garmin account. This is when you want to insert the SD card from the Marine device into your computer. Then in Garmin Express's vessel screen, click Add. Now click Add a device. Adding your vessel will automatically register your devices to Garmin Express. And that's it. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.